Hello everyone, and today we're going to do a little bit of the whole question and answer section. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, what do we use the sub IDs for when you're promoting ClickFunnels, and how do you actually apply them in your marketing itself? So what I've done is I've already loaded into my ClickFunnels account. I've hit the affiliate links to get the main links, and now we're just going to go ahead and take a look at those sub IDs. So I'm going to look at promoting the 14-day trial. So we hit on that, and then it's got a whole load of different links you can do. I normally go for the standard trial page, and this would be ordinarily the link that you start off with. However, if you want to track where those clicks came from, and subsequently if someone then went ahead and got a 14-day trial, or if it was one of the other ClickFunnels products and you wanted to know where that sale came from, then this is where we start. So we add a little sub ID in there. So I might, let's say for example, we're doing the Dotcom secrets. So I'm going to advertise that on YouTube, and I'm going to put the specific video, which if I click over here, I'm going to just copy that so that I know exactly where any sales come from for that particular one. So if I just reduce the spaces on this just so it looks a little better. So now this link shows up. If I scroll through this, you'll see this custom link has now updated, and it has that information in there. So you can see the YouTube and that there. So if I just go ahead and grab all of that, copy it, and then if I want to paste that into one of my own videos here, where you'll see I've done the Dotcom secrets review, then we can just do this and paste it in. Right, now that might look a little bit cumbersome. Now that will be a clickable link when it's on YouTube or anywhere else, but it does kind of look a little bit ugly. So what I tend to do is I use a URL shortener, or a website address shortener for short. I use one called Link Hero. So I'll go ahead and add the link, and I'll paste that in there, and that whole link then becomes this. Now again, you can track how many clicks you've actually got through this as well, so you can go back and see, okay, well I know that I've had X amount of clicks from it, so we're just going to call this YT.com. And then there's some more optional fields that we can use on this as well. So I can have my Facebook pixel ID, so I can retarget people through Facebook ads as well. And I can go, this is a YouTube review vid CF trial. Excuse me. So I'll know that if these clicks are coming through a particular video on YouTube for a ClickFunnels trial, and if I go ahead and create that link, and then I can grab that link, head back over to YouTube, and now all of that turns into that, and that's so much nicer, so much easier for people to click on. So if I go ahead and click on this, and I'm just going to go get a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels on me. Just click on the link below to get started now. And I hit save. So now if I go to this video, and I want to pause it before it starts getting, before it gets too mad, and that was like 2 years ago, so apologies. Now if I go onto this, now you see that link there is live, and if I go ahead and click on it, that should take me to the URL that we started with. But obviously that's not going to work because I'm actually logged in. So let's try incognito window. Try again. Sure you want to leave? Yep, we'll go to the site. So now this is going to the 14-day free trial which has highlighted the sub-IDs that we entered in. So YouTube, Dotcom Secrets Review. So that is basically how to use those sub-IDs within your marketing to make sure that you go ahead and you can track everything. And that's the most important thing, because whenever you're doing advertising, if you're not tracking, then you're going to lose out big time. I hope that helps.